Now the previous part of the next part of the previous video I am going to continue here. So that time I explain you, suppose whenever you plot that all these coordinates of for this equation on the graph paper, if you are not getting the 3 points collinear, then you can find out one more value of the x and the y coordinates. So here if you wish to increase that one more column, so you can increase and you can find out. But when you will do this one, if this all the three value on the graph paper, if you are not getting collinear, then but always remember, whenever you plot the graph, that time always the first three values you get the collinear. So here this all the x coordinate and y coordinate when we plot on the graph paper, so that time this all the three values we get the collinear. So with the help of the scale I draw the line here, one straight line. So if you observe, so here this all the coordinates of the x and y, they are nothing but the collinear, and if they are collinear, then only you have to draw the one straight line. And if they are not collinear, then you can draw the line from any two collinear points. So these 3 points are of the equation 1, that is 3x, that is equation 3x minus y is equals to 2. For this equation we draw this line segment. So now we are going to draw the line segment for the next equation, that is a 2x minus y is equals to 3. So now for that equation we did the calculation here downstairs, and we find out all the x and the y coordinate for that equation in this table. So this all the coordinates of x and y we are going to plot on the graph paper, and we are going to draw the line for the equation second. So here the first coordinates of x and y are what? 0, minus 3. So 0 is of what? X coordinate, and the y is for minus 3 is nothing but the y axis coordinate. So here x axis 0, so x axis here, x axis 0 is here, and y axis which coordinate? Minus 3. So y axis straight and the minus 3, the minus 3 is coming here, means 0 and the minus 3. It means what? These points are nothing but on the y axis, negative y axis. So here it is 0 and the minus 3, so it is coming here. So 0 and the minus 3 I am going to write down this side. So 0, minus 3. So first coordinate of this second equation we plot here. Now the second one is what? 1 and the minus 1. 1 is of the x axis and the y is from the negative y axis. So x axis positive, x 1 is positive, so 1 x axis here, positive x axis, 1 is here, and the minus 1, so minus 1 of y axis. So straight line, vertical line is nothing but the y axis, so minus y. Y coordinate is what? Minus 1. So x plus 1 and y axis minus 1. So these two are, if we join, so we are getting there here. So that coordinate we are going to write down here, 1, minus 1. Now the next last one is nothing but what? 2, 1. 2 is the x axis coordinate and 1 is the y axis coordinate. So 2 x axis 2 is here, and y axis positive 1, so 1 is here. So 2 and 1, when we join these two, so that's this point we are getting here. So here one single dot circle and the coordinates are what? 2, minus 1. So now we are going to see the all the 3 points of this. So it is what? 0, 1 and the 1. अगर इफ यू सॉ, तो ये जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है उसके तीनों कोऑर्डिनेट से लाइन गए, तो वो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमें देखने नहीं. नाउ वी हैव टू सी दोस कोऑर्डिनेट फ्रॉम विच कोऑर्डिनेट वी डू नॉट ड्रॉ द लाइन. सो दोस कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर नथिंग बट द, या दोस पॉइंट्स आर नथिंग बट 1, 2, 3. दिस 3 points are those points. So now we are going to check whether these 3 points are collinear or not. That is nothing but they are in a one line or not. So keep your scale properly here, and वहाँ पे उनके जो सेंटर है, फ्रॉम दैट सेंटर वी आर गोइंग टू सी they are collinear or not, and according to your coordinate you can little bit adjust and just check if that line should be the straight line. So now here, see here I am getting the one straight line through this all the coordinates. So I am going to draw that line. And do not think that key if that line is going through the this equation, it is nothing but our main motto is what? We have to find out the their center. So here these two lines, now whether both the line intersect each other, that is nothing but the second, and overwriting is not allowed here. So whether the two lines intersect, that is nothing but our x coordinate, x value and the y axis. Now if you observe this, both the line, this is the line for the second equation. Suppose that equation I wrote here, this line segment equation is for the 2x minus y is equals to 3 for the second thing that I wrote here. So now both the equation of the first line and equation of the second line, both are intersecting at this point. So here that point is nothing but our x and the y coordinates. So here I am going to do, so first we wrote the x, that is nothing but -1, and second is nothing but the y, it is what, -5. So it means what, the intersection point of both the line is nothing but what, -1 and -5. So here we are going to write down the solution. So solution for this simultaneous equation, that is the value of the x and y are nothing but, x value is what, x coordinate. See how I identify both the line intersecting at this point. So x is what, -1. So x coordinate, this is the straight line. So here -1, and y axis is the straight, y axis straight. So my y axis coordinate is what, -5. So the answer for the simultaneous equation is nothing but -1 comma -5. And if you, whether your this answer is correct or not, if you want to verify, so this is this simultaneous equation we solve by the graphical method. But if you want to verify this equation, so you can solve the simultaneous equation the way regular we solve. So for example, to verification, I solve the simultaneous equation by the previous method which I explained you. So if you observe this method, so here you can see when we by the normal method, previous last time whatever method I explained you, by that method you solve. So x coordinate you are getting here -1, and y coordinate you are getting here the -5, and which is exactly match here with our graph, that is nothing but x is what, -1, and the y is what, -5. It means what, you can solve the simultaneous equation either by the graphical method or by using the elimination method. You will get the x and y value, you will get the same only. Okay, but when you are going to solve this method, mostly you have to solve this you have to use this method only. But if they are solve the simultaneous equation by graph method, then only you have to use this method. Otherwise the previous method you can verify. And if you are not confident from your answer, you can cross check also. One more example I am going to send you, so that also you can refer, so you will get the idea for that one. So your graph will look like this. So in the graph, what you have to do, to plot the x axis and the y axis properly, write down the scale properly, all the coordinate of the equation 1 and equation 2 plot properly. You will get the one straight line through all the three coordinates of both the equations, and whether both the lines intersect each other, so that is nothing but your x axis and the y axis. Whether they both intersect each other, that is nothing but your the value of the x and the value of the y coordinates. So here it is these two lines intersecting here. The x coordinate, x ka straight -1, y is what, here it is in straight line, it is nothing but -5. So the answer is nothing but -1 comma -5. So remaining all examples from the practice set 1.2 is nothing but your homework.